Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Import from SIM. This in turn will select or show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM, and they should all be selected by default. Now, for me, there's no other options apart from just deselecting these contacts, but for most people, you will see a drop-down menu somewhere under the Import Contacts, and this will show up if you have a Google account signed in. I don't, so it automatically chooses the only option that I have left, which is importing contacts to the device. But like I said, if you have Google account, you can automatically choose from either the Google account, which will be selected by default, or the device itself. Now, additionally, you might also experience that some of these contacts that are visible for you might be deselected and grayed out, and the device is just simply stopping you from importing duplicate contacts. Anyway, from there, you can select Import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should be able to see them in here. Now, you also, depending on where you imported your contacts to, might need to change the display location, which you can do so by clicking right here where, for me, there's a phone icon. For you, it might be a letter from your Google account or just an icon, whatever it is. You can then select from different locations in here. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.